Another question we get all the time is, why do you build a greenhouse with a floor? Or is the floor standard? All of our greenhouses will come with a floor. We used to only build floorless greenhouses. For the first 6 years of this company, we only built floorless greenhouses. And so what made us switch? Well, the number one reason I wanted to switch and begin adding floors was structural integrity. It's really hard to build a strong floorless building. There's nothing to keep it square. There's nothing to keep it from moving. My wife would tell you from the female perspective, she likes it better. It's way cleaner. The first 3 or 4 greenhouses my wife had were floorless, and it's dustier, it's dirtier. Her plants didn't do as well. And now that she's had experience with this greenhouse with a floor in it, she would never go back to a floorless greenhouse. It's more finished, it's more professional, it's stronger. There's a lot of advantages to having a floor. And our floor is made with treated deck board. All of the material under the floor or substructure of the greenhouse is pressure treated lumber. So that's rated for ground contact. So this lumber underneath here can touch the ground and it's not going to rot. We deck the entire greenhouse floor with a treated deck board. It looks great. It feels natural. My wife loves it and a lot of people love it. And so that's why we've moved everything to floors.